Hello friends, welcome to my channel Live with Freedom Forever. In this channel, this time I will try to upload some videos about web development with Python Django. So day by day I will try. So let's see, that's the first lecture. What we need, requirement for the software to learn the Python. So mainly I will recommend you, first we need to download the Python, and then we need the Visual Studio Code. So this is editor, and this is the Python, the main software, and we will work with the latest version, and this time in the year of 2021. So at this time I think that the latest version for the Python is this one, 3.10.0. So here is the way that you can download. I will not show you all the process that's how to download, but here in the slide, if you see the slide, so you will get the total process how you can download the software. So the link I will mention in the description, so you can get the link from where you will download the Python. And if you want to see, also I can show you from the website. Mainly for Python you will use this website, and for Visual Code we will use this one. So here when you will go to the download, and you will enter download, and here the download, you just click and then the software will download. And also for this Visual Code you need to download from here. So let's see the slide again. So here you need to download, and when you will install the software, I will recommend this to just check on those buttons and click on here, install now. So after install, it will just install the software automatically. You don't need to do anything. So when this window will come, the end, you just click here, disable path limit, length limit. So by this you will install the Python, and now the second option also will install the Visual Studio Code. So for the Visual Studio Code, as I told you, that's you need to click on here, download, and click the OK, then go to the next, and just click on accept, and then go to next, and just next. You just click next, and here you need to click all. It's better because I did it, so I click all. So and then next, and then install. And before finish, you just uncheck this because we'll launch in different way. So this is the way that you need to install the software. So now when your software is installed, what you need to do, you need to create a folder. Okay, I already create a folder in my D drive, or any drive you can create a folder. So I just mention the name is like Python practice. So in this folder, what you need to do, you will go here, select all, and type cmd. So cmd, then here you need to write py from Python space, then you give the sign dash dash and version. So you'll see the version of the Python what you installed. So you just close here, and as we install the Visual Code, so we need to run the Visual Code from. So to run the Visual Code, you just click here, the white space, and right button click, and then this code, open with code. Remember very much sure that this Visual Studio and the Visual Code, those are different. So this Visual Code is for, we are using for Python. So you click here and it will open. So you can press Ctrl N or from the file menu, new file. So this new file, we can save it, Ctrl S. So it will save, you see, it will save on your this folder. So you just mention the name. Suppose this is lesson 1.py from Python. The file should be py, the Python. So save it, and now here we will start the command. Suppose that's how we want to print something. Let's print welcome to my world. So you need to know that as we didn't save this file till now, we just for that reason you will see a sign here, a dot. So when we'll save this, Ctrl S, you see the dot has gone from here, this has gone. So now we need to run the file. So you can run from the terminal. You can check the new terminal, click the new terminal, and here you need to run, you need to type Python py space and then the name of the file. What is lesson01.py? So you just type L and press your tab. It will come automatically the top total. So just enter. So you will see welcome to my world. Okay, so here we declare some variable, like we declared name, as name is son. Then I declare a variable is integer type, and my number 5, color is a string type, and isActive is a boolean type. So here you can see that how you can print this, like you need to wherever the string you want to print, you need to put in the double quote the name. The name is a string, for the reason is come directly like this, and then here my number. The number is integer, so if we don't put the str, then the number will come error in this case. And then we put like this, so here the output is coming like that. All the things you can see. And okay, so here you can see that's how I put here double quote and here single quote, so it's not a problem to declare a variable, but you should mention the it should be in the quotation mark to declare a string. And now if we check, there are many ways that you can print this. Suppose if we go here, we can check this one. This one, why I put the S, because the S will represent the value you are giving. So suppose that my name is S, so S will come the name. Then my favorite number is again stress, so number, this one, so my number. So if you want to insert another one, so you need to give another one here, and here will become, you need to give a comma and then that variable. So here, if we save it and if we run, you see the same things, these things, this one come. So this is another way you can print. Then there is another way that we can print, and the format. So in the format, what we will do here, the format, what the format is doing, you are giving some index, the index value. So that index 0, then 1. So and the end, you need to concat, you need to put the dot, then format. This is the syntax. You need to give the, you need to declare the format, and here the name for what, name for this 0, because we're putting my name is this, so name here, and here 1 is here color. So we mention here the index 0 and here 1, so the 0 first 0, the name, and the 1 this. So we can see the output. The output is coming. The output is like this. So the next query, if we mention this one, is the same, but we will not mention the index. So if we don't mention the index also, the same thing, the output will come. So I clear this one. You see the same, just we didn't mention the index, but the output is the same. So the last query, this one. So the last query is in the index we are giving the variable directly. So this variable is coming directly here, and this variable coming directly here. And so what's happen? The format and this eliminate, we don't need, but we need to mention the f, because if we don't write anything, but we need to mention the f. So here we can see all those things now. Here the name, this name will come here, and this is going here, and the format, this format, this format, this format, the word, the f is coming here. So if we save it and run it, so we can see this. So I hope that you understood all these types of the declaration and how we can print the variables. We can use the normal way to print, but here we need to mention the types. If it's integer, then we need to convert it to string, and then here we are using like in other language like C and C++, those, as we mentioned, the D is %d or something like that. So here we need to mention the %s. So we just mention here, and also don't forget to put the % here, the % sign. And then the other way we can mention it by giving the index value. So we need to put the 0, 1, then 2, like this as much the value, the variable value we want to print. And then this one is the same like the index, but we are not mentioning the index value, and so we are other the same. And the last one, that's we're using here in the, instead of the index value, we're just mentioning the name of the variable, and here we are mentioning the f, the format. So the f should be in out of the quotation but inside the bracket. Okay, thank you for your time, and hope you understood. And if you have any question regarding this, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.